Hey, it's John, and I'm back inside Scarlett the Barracuda doing the Dynamat over the package tray. It's going to be a quick video. There's not a whole lot of unique things to show, if anything, so I'm just going to show you the progress that I have made. So let's take a look. Alright, so here you can see I have the package tray removed, I have the Dynamat in place, and I have the speakers reinstalled. So if you remember, I have the rear window defroster that is held on by a couple of, sorry about the glare there, a couple of 3/8 inch nuts on the back of the hold down for the speakers. I just put a slit across the top and then made some pie cuts and then pressed it down and re-screwed in the speakers. So now I'm ready to reinstall the mat, or a jute, whatever you want to call it, and then the package tray, and she's done. So this was really easy. There was absolutely nothing special about it. I'd say go for it. Quick, easy win. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.